Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix photos disappearing issue in Realme 15 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the photos app. Now click on this photos app and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of photos app. After clear the cache memory, then go back to your home screen and open your photos app. Now click on albums and here you can see the option recently deleted. Now click on it and here you can see your recently deleted photos or videos. Here you can also hit recover and delete it. After that, go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.